Hello, students. A very warm welcome to today's explainer for Smart Path Academy. I'm so glad you're here learning with me. Today, we're going to focus on mastering a very special part of English grammar, verbs that completely break all the normal rules. Our goal today is to make irregular past verbs simple, clear, and super easy for you to remember. Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever caught yourself saying a sentence like, "Yesterday I goed to the park"? Well, if you have, I've got a very important warning for you. You need to stop. Please absolutely do not say goed. We're going to learn exactly why this is a mistake and how you can say it perfectly every single time. Section 1, the ED rule breakers. So normally, we just add the letters E and D to talk about the past, right? But these sneaky rule breakers are called irregular past verbs. They're verbs that literally do not use the normal ED rule, and they must change their form entirely. The secret to mastering them? You've got to learn these past forms as brand new words. Section 2, meet the irregular verbs. And this brilliantly illustrates what we mean. Let's slowly read through this first set of verb cards together. Notice how the base verb completely transforms. The verb go transforms entirely into went. The verb eat changes completely into ate. The verb see becomes saw, and the verb write changes to become wrote. Now let's continue reading our second set of verb cards. Pay really close attention to the transformations here. The base verb take changes to took. Make changes just one letter to become made. Come changes to came. And the verb buy changes quite a lot, actually. It becomes bought. Treat these past forms as brand new vocabulary. Section 3, fixing common mistakes. Because these words change their spelling so much, it's incredibly easy to accidentally just tack on an ed. But for example, saying, "Yesterday I good to school" is incorrect. Go is a rule breaker. We never say good. Instead, we must say the correct form. Yesterday I went to school. Here's another really common mistake. She eated breakfast. Think back to our verb cards from just a moment ago. The verb eat is irregular, and it transforms completely. So the correct past form is simply, she ate breakfast. Are you starting to see the pattern here? He writed a story is completely incorrect because of that ed ending. Remind yourself of the verb card for write. The correct past form is, he wrote a story. Let's look at our final correction example. We cannot say, they taked a photo. We have to drop the edge rule and use the proper form. The correct sentence is, they took a photo. Take a moment to really solidify this rule in your mind. Section 4, mini practice time. Here is question number 1. Read it slowly with me. Yesterday, I blank to the library. Is the answer A, went, or is it B, goed? Do you have your answer ready? Let's move to question number 2. Sarah blank an apple. Is the correct past verb A, ate, or is it B, eated? Think carefully about the rule breakers we just discussed. Here is question number 3. Omar blank a story. Is the answer A, wrote, or is it B, writed? Lock in your answer. And here is our final practice question, number 4. They blank a photo. Is the right word A, took, or is it B, taked? Take one last moment to finalize your choice. Section 5. Check your answers. So, how did you do? So the crucial point is choosing the brand new word, not the ed word. Let's read the correct answers slowly. Number 1, yesterday I went to the library. Number 2, Sarah ate an apple. Number 3, Omar wrote a story. And number 4, they took a photo. Excellent work if you got those right. Section 6, irregular verb recap. Here's your ultimate checklist to remember. First, irregular verbs do not use the normal ed rule. Second, you must learn the past form of the verb as a completely new word. And third, our biggest warning of the day, absolutely do not say goed, eated, writed, or taked. You've done an amazing job following along today. But here's something to think about. If these common verbs are rule breakers, how many other sneaky, hidden, irregular verbs do you think are out there hiding in the English language? There are literally hundreds waiting to be discovered. Show me what you've learned today by practicing right now. I want you to write one irregular past verb sentence in the comments below. Make sure you spell that new past verb correctly. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next explainer.